Stay friends, myself Rohit Shah. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, visiting cards and logo design consultant, as well as I provide switch words, Italian chants, and folksires that brings immense success in your life. Today, I'm bringing you one of the most amazing, powerful energy circle for clearing ancestral karma blockages, healing of curse, overcoming money blockages, increasing business income, footfall, money flow, and abundance. Uh, this energy circle designed for to heal any ancestral karma, or if you are struggling with negative issues because of your negative placement of the planets that are hindering your growth, to connect with your ancestors, to heal any ancestral curse and get rid of all the lineage problems that come your way, to find yourself stuck in your business for any reason, experiencing lack of growth despite your best effort and facing obstacles that hinder your progress, or someone owes you money and not returning in a situation where a significant amount of money is blocked. Positive energy boosters attract more clients and generate interest in your services. To gain money, abundance, and instant luck with prosperity. Study financial flow, aiming to build substantial savings. Immediate financial relief, effortlessly on money, swiftly arrange funds when in need, open up receiving and manifesting specific amount of money. Very, very powerful ancient chants I have listed in the outer circle here. Sorry, I have to gray out a few words for obvious reason. There's a beautiful image of Lord Shiva giving infinite wealth through Lord Kubera and Lakshmi ji. This is designed by my designer and very high resolution. The energy exchange, there are three different formats. Energy exchange in the laminated version, size is 9 inch by 9 inch, 1401 rupees. Fiber based, you get 9 inch by 9 inch, 3111 rupees. And the e copy for multiple usage, जैसे कि आपको मोबाइल वॉलपेपर करना है या आपके लैपटॉप पे, या you want to have multiple copies for your work area, office, shop, factory, or at home in cash box. You can also, if you are a consultant, you can also give out to your client. If you want any more information, please do get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 63525879119 or 9050507317. Payment via GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, that is 9050507317. One more request, all these ancient words that I have shared on this energy circle, please do chant them as well for the faster results. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.